Hey there friend, welcome back to my channel. In today's hair tutorial, I'm going to be walking you guys through on how we can style this hairstyle on a very short hair like this. If you are interested, watch till the end. I'm going to be explaining in full details on how to style this hairstyle and also how to maintain it. So watch this video till the end and don't forget to give it a thumbs up and also give us a comment on what you think about it if you like this video. After the straight one I made already, so I make the second one zigzag. And when you are parting the part, just to make zigzag part is very easy. When you do it straight, bend your end, do it straight, bend your end, and you get the sectioning you want. See, this is how I did it. And after sectioning the parts, use Shana Jam to clear the parts. I always use hair gel to clear my parts. So you can use Shana Jam, you can use other hair products that you feel is okay for you. But before we get started, I first spray this hair with tangle free and with water. So I don't have rosemary water yet, which I'm going to be adding to the spray I will be using to spray my hair. So how you start this hairstyle is when you want to start it with a very tiny um, uh, braid, with extension braid, and let it be as tiny as you can handle. And you can be adding bit by bit, very tiny. The reason for this is to avoid hair damage from the front, because when you start hair with big extension braid, it feels if the extension is too heavy for the hair, it can damage the front of our hair. So if you can either start with just the natural hair or with a very tiny hair. So instead of your hair to pull, it will be raising up. Like, it's better to raise up than to pull. And also, when you are doing it, always don't forget to ask your friend or your customer if you should pick everything, like the front of the hair. If your customer said no, don't pick everything, please don't, because we want to make our hair to be beautiful, not to damage our hair. So some people, they said okay, pick everything, while some, they will tell you no, don't pick it, because they know they can use hair gel to like style it later. So me, I recommend you don't pick everything. So after you finish making the hair, so you can be using the hair gel control. Or once you start styling the hair, like once you start weaving the hair, don't bend your hand. Don't feel like because you make the part zigzag, you have to be bending your hand. No, just only the part is what we want to see. If you want to make a zigzag hairstyle, that is quite different. So straight your hand. Don't just, as long as you are picking the hair, don't follow the part the way you part it. You just follow the hair. That is how the cutting will show. It will look as if okay, you're not getting it, but when you finish the hair, you'll see that you've gotten it. You see how mine how it came out so well, because I didn't follow the part the way I part the hair, which is the way I section the hair, but I followed just the hair. And this hair I also do, I think, one just one step of rasta at the back. So, because she's the kind of person that when you finish making her hair, she feel that the back of her hair, which where you end the hair, it hurts her. So to avoid that, I just make a few rasta there. I got the comb I'm using from Amazon. I got the edge hair control I'm using, which is hair gel, on Amazon. I'm not promoting any brand. I'm just telling you where I got mine. You can also get yours if you have opportunity to get yours in the market or in the shop. So guys, when you want to start this hair, and you've already taken a very tiny hair. As you are weaving it, please don't just start adding hair instantly. If you want to have this tiny mount, and also to protect the front, because when you start adding a very tiny when you start making the hair instantly and you are already adding hair to it, it will also come out as if you're starting the hair with a big extension braid. So I recommend when you start weaving it, when you start from the beginning, weave it like kind of one, two, then maybe the third one or even the fourth one. That's when you start adding your hair. This way, it will not be heavy from the beginning. I hope you understand what I'm trying to explain. So what I make from this side is also the same thing I make for the other side. Yeah, because making my customers happy is always my priority. And yeah, in case you're wondering how I start the other side, which I'm going to be. If it's your first time of coming across my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. And please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever we drop a new video. So our returning subscribers, thank you so much for your endless support. We appreciate you all. And yeah, please always help us to share our content and give this video a big thumbs up if you like this hairstyle. So what we are doing in this place now, if you notice it, I didn't take it from the beginning just like the other ones. Yeah, but I'm also going to be bending my hands like for the zigzag, but gradually I will be leaving that zigzag alone because I don't want to make it inside. So where she just need it is the front, which is the three first one. So, but because you have already styled the hair that way, and I want to make it as tiny as I can, so I don't want to make it like the ones I've been making since. So I have to like also make it a little bit zigzag, a part, not just straight, because if you make it straight at once, it's going to be, the part is going to look somehow and the hair is going to be, and it's going to look somehow. So to follow up with the style to make it look amazing, so you just, the more I session the hair, which is after this now, if I'm sessioning another one, I'm going to also making it a bit straight than this. So that means the more I session the hair, the more I reduce the way I make I session the zigzag part. I hope you're getting it. You see, I am trying to kind of do it. If you see this one now, it's not as zigzag as this big one. So the more I do it, the more I relieve the part, I release my hand, and the more it's going straight because it's from this side and the other side she needed to be like this. In a case where you have someone that wants everything to be like that, just keep following the part, how you section it. Don't make it straight, just keep doing it the way you started, and don't make some tiny and some big. Even if you're making some tiny, don't start it from the beginning. You can start it the way I started now, and it will definitely still come out the way you want it. I hope you are getting it. So now we are almost done with the parts. In case you're wondering how many parts we split this hair extension, I think we split the extension into four parts. Yeah, we split into four parts because she wants something that is not long at all because it's summer. It's really hot this time in Germany. So that is why she chose something that is very comfortable, something she'll be comfortable with, since she's not using wig, and something that will not be touching her body. Even the way I even split this, she was kind of it looks like it's a bit too long. Then I said, yeah, if it's not just drop at all, it looks somehow. So, and we just try to manage it as we can, although the hair is not long at all. Also, the length you do is optional. Yeah, you can decide to make it even more shorter, or you can make it longer. So you see how I ended the part. The whole end is kind of in inner part. Yeah, if you look at this now, you look at it's kind of inner part. So, and this one I'm making right now is straight. I said it, the more I was parting it, sectioning it, the more I make it straight. And I think after that one I showed, the other ones they were all straight. Yeah, just like this one. The other three, two after the one I made before, they were straight. So that is how I just finished the hair. So tell me what you think about this hairstyle. And for me, I think I like it. It's more, it just makes you feel free, and you have this fresh hair. And yeah, so how you maintain this hair? So please, if you don't have olive oil spray, go get one. You'll be needing it. And also, if you have hair oil, you can also be applying it at the edges of the hair. It's very important you apply oil in your hair every time, most especially if you are the type that always do cornrow. It's very important to be applying hair oil in your hair. So, and if you have olive oil spray, also after you apply the oil, spray it and just brush the front. Use your hairbrush to just maintain it. Maybe touch that brush with your edge control, and yeah, maintain it, and it will keep the hair shine and fine. It will look like as if you just made it. So this is the result of this hairstyle. Is not much. If you can even count it, it's not much, but it's very okay. And I hope you like this video, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. So please, if you like this hairstyle, just give this video a thumbs up. And yeah, I hope you like it when you make it for yourself too. Until then, stay safe and remember blessed. Bye for now, and thanks for watching one more time.